This is a quick project. The house that we moved into has concrete floors that have been scored, and you can see it just looks kind of nasty inside. And you know, every time you mop or whatever, it just kind of goes down there and collects. A lot of dirt collects in there, and so I just wanted to clean it up. And so this is a one in the hallway. I just wanted to try it out in a small area, kind of inconspicuous. So I just used a painting tape and get a wet paper towel, and I used a black, it's not really a silicone as much as it is a, what do you call it? It's sort of a grout. So it's got this sandy type texture in it, and they use it around certain areas, around tubs or shower surrounds, that will give it the grout finish. And you can get many different colors, and I just chose black because I thought it would blend in with the floor quite well. Once you finish doing the caulk, you can see why the tape's here. You just easily smooth your finger down along it, and then you just peel up the tape. Makes it clean up and finish really quick and easy. And once you get done, the wet paper towel just helps you be able to clean off your finger quick and easy. And then once that's done, all you got to do is peel off the tape. And it's important that you keep people from walking on it. And it sets fairly quickly, but it's still soft. I try to just give it a good 24 hours before you let anybody sort of touch it. And so that was kind of tricky with the dog in the house. I ended up putting something on both sides of the line, so it gives you sort of a visual that you need to step over it, and that worked for us. Here's a close-up of the finished. I think it looks way cleaner than not being done, and there's not enough room for it to collect a bunch of dirt either, so it should clean up nicely in the future.
You're awesome.
Liked it.